Hey there, welcome once again to Learn News. This is a new tutorial on Elastic Container Registry. We are going to show you that how to push an image after you have built it with the help of Docker in your local and upload the same to the Elastic Container Registry. Let us quickly come on to the console over here, the AWS console. I will go to Elastic Container Registry. It's similar to Docker Hub basically, where you store where you create repository basically where and store different formats of different types of images and of the Docker that you have built. And here I am going to get started, create a repository, and I am going to give it a name, say Spring Boot Docker Repo 1. I'm going to create it. So there are certain options over there, whether image scan settings, encryption settings, many others, immutability if we want to uh, tag it as an immutable image. And so we are going to create it now. I haven't selected any other options. So here you will get the URL of the repository. I'm going to do what? I'm going to copy this URL, and here you will find an option known as view pushed commands. In order to upload an image, Docker image, to this particular repository, you have to execute the following commands. I have already installed AWS CLI in my local, and I'm going to execute each and every command whichever it is present. I'm going to copy it, and I am in the directory where Docker file is present. It's a simple Spring Boot application. The pom.xml file is there, and here is Docker file. And here in the path where the Docker file is present, I'm going to execute these commands. First of all, I will be logging into with the help of Docker login and AWS ECR. I'm going to login succeeded. You got this message. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to come back over here, Docker build repo 1 with the help of this tag. So again I'm going to type in this command, and we're going to build it. And yes, here in the Docker file, the whatever commands that are present, you would be able to see it from here. From OpenJDK 8, we are taking this argument, the target file. We are going inside the target file and searching for any jar file, and we are copying that jar file into app.jar, and we are executing java-jar app.jar commands. Okay, and here what we are going to do is, next we are going to execute the push command, the Docker tag for uploading the image to the repository. Yes, we have tagged it, and then finally we are going to push it. Yeah, the pushing will take some amount of time, considerate amount of time, but it might be faster. Let's wait over here and see how the image is getting pushed. I'm going to pause the video and come back until the complete uploading is completed. And yes, there you have it, the pushing is completed. Here SHA-256 hash is generated, and the total size of 2006 bytes. This information is provided, so I'm going to minimize the console. Our pushing is done completely, and here if I reload it inside the repository, you will find here the image description. If you want to pull this image description, you have to utilize this image URI that is provided over here, and the digest number is also provided, and net size is 244.9 MB. And here this is the latest tag that has been done. If you want, you can also in the view push command, you can change the tags and whatever you want to customize, or the name, whatever you want to do it, you can do it over here. So this concludes our tutorial on ECR. So here also you can do what, you can change the permission, and if you want to edit the edit policy JSON, if you want to do it, you can do that. and here also lifecycle policy if you want to add it, or if you want to generate a tag over here, you can also utilize it. There's various options that is provided by AWS for cloud registry, for a container registry. Here you can store multiple types of images, multiple images over here, and you can pull it as you require it. So this concludes our tutorial. Hope you are liking the news. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, motivate me so that I can come up with new exciting video tutorials. Thanks a lot.